to the second numerical. XYZ futures trade on NSE as 1, 2 and 3 months contract, and money can be borrowed at 10% per annum. Spot price of the stock is rupees 140. Calculates the price of 1 unit of new 2 months futures contract of XYZ if dividend is expected during this 2-month period. Consider XYZ will be declaring a dividend of rupees 10 per share after 15 days of purchasing the contract. So now to calculate the futures price, we need to reduce the cost of carry to the extent of dividend received. So here we solve the sum. F is equal to 140 into E to the power 0.1 into 60 by 365. 60 is 2 months and 365 is total number of days in a year, minus 10 the dividend amount into E to the power RT, which is 0.1 into 45 by 365. If we solve this equation, we get rupees 132.2, which is the value of one futures contract. Let's talk about the third numerical. Nifty futures trade on NSE as 1, 2 and 3 months contract. Money can be again borrowed at 10% per annum, and the current value of Nifty is say 4,000, and the lot size of Nifty is of 100 shares. Now what we need to calculate is the price of a unit of new 2 months futures contract of Nifty if ABC Limited will be declaring a dividend of rupees 20 per share after 15 days of purchasing the contract. And ABC Limited has a 7% weightage in Nifty, and the market price of ABC is rupees 140. So how do we solve this? Value of the contract of one lot of Nifty is 100 shares into 4,000, which is rupees 4 lakhs. And ABC has a 7% weightage in Nifty. So the value of Nifty is 4 lakh into 7%, which comes to 28,000. So 28,000 is the amount of ABC in 4 lakh rupees of one Nifty futures contract. Now the number of shares of ABC Limited in one lot of futures index can be calculated as 28,000 divided by market price, which is 140, which is equal to 200 shares of ABC, and the amount of dividend which is received on account of ABC in one lot of Nifty futures is 200 shares into 20 per share, which is equal to rupees 4,000, right? So we can solve and calculate one lot of Nifty's futures by 4,000 into E to the power RT, that is 0.1 into 60 by 365, minus 200 into 20 into E to the power RT, that is 0.1 into 45 by 365, total divided by 100, which comes to rupees 4025.8 per lot of Nifty. So we've calculated the fair value of futures contract of Nifty, and then we subtracted the amount of dividend from it, and since dividend was declared after 15 days of the starting of the futures contract, so the T over here will be 45 days by 365. Now coming to the next model, we shall discuss for the future pricing is the expectancy model. According to the expectancy model, it is not the relationship between the spot and the futures price, but that of expected spot price and future price which moves in the market. And this is why market participants would enter futures contract and price the futures based upon their estimates of the future and the spot price of the underlying asset. Now according According to this model, futures can trade at a premium or discount to the spot price of the underlying asset. And future price give market participants an indication of the expected direction of the movement of the spot price in the future. So for instance, if futures price is higher than the spot price of an underlying asset, market participants may expect that the spot price to go up in near future, and this expectedly rising the market value of the futures contract, and which is called as a contango market. Similarly, if futures price are lower than the spot price of an asset, market participants may expect that the spot price to come down in future, and this expectedly falling market is called a backwardation market. Thank you. With this, we come to the end of this video, and we will be understanding more about Nifty futures contract in our next video.